Hello and welcome to this new video where I show you where to find electronic control units and how to remove interior trim panels. I've already gone ahead and pre-selected the vehicle. If you want to know where the ECUs are located, all you have to do is go to Electronics, Locations and select Control Units. Now we've created differentiation between engine, passenger and luggage compartments, and we've done that because cars these days have gotten so much more complicated that it's easier to create a bit of a differentiation so you know what to look for. So let's just say our car has a broken electric window on the driver's side. What I first want to do is I select passenger compartment and I have a look at the left hand side to see if I can find a description that matches my problem. And here it is, front left door control unit. I select that, and as I can see, there is a square box that has been highlighted on the driver's side, so I know that's the correct side and where to find the ECU. Now the next step is to remove the door trim. Now cars these days, door trims have gotten so much more complicated and I don't want to break any clips or don't know how to find the screws. So in order to do that, I can go back to Overview and select Repair Data, Interior Exterior and Repair Manuals. Now, as you can see, there's a manual for the door trim. And this is a step-by-step description on how to remove each and every door panel. I'll show you one example. This is the first panel that you have to remove. You can see what type of tool you need to use and how to clip it. Now this is a fairly easy manual, but if you were to remove the entire dashboard, that's a lot more complicated. But there's also a manual for that, and I'm not going to show you the entire manual, but as you can see, the first step is already very important. This is the central console in the rear. There's two tiny screws behind the vents that you have to remove first in order to remove it. And if you don't remove those, then it'll be very hard to remove the dashboard. And that is why we call it clearly better data.